Hello again and welcome to another exciting unboxing video. This time we have some bulbs. It's the new Govee Gu10 bulbs that I've just ordered in and decided to do a quick unboxing just to show you what you see in the box and how they actually look. So let's see about opening up the box and see how these bulbs look inside. So as ever, the Govee packaging is superb, very, very professional looking. And let's see what we get inside. And we can then check each of the contents. Right, we've got the Govee Quick Guide, standard affair. We've got the Govee user manual. Not really much to that, to be quite honest, but it's there if you need it anyway. And we've got the standard Govee Dream View blurb. That explains all about syncing lights up. So let's get the protective top off. And as you can see, we've got 4 bulbs, all nicely protected, and a little rubbery plastic type coating just to keep them all nice and clean. So let's get this one taken out. Let's have a little look and see how the new Gu10 bulb looks. And there we go. It's a bulb. Right, we've got the Govee logo on the side. Bits of writing on the side, and that's what you would expect. It's a Gu10 bulb. So let me see about unpacking the rest of these. We'll go down the stairs and we'll see about getting the old bulbs out and installing these lovely new Govee Gu10 bulbs. And if you're not in the market for a 4-pack, Govee also do a 1-pack. They also do a 2-pack. But as I had 5 bulbs in the kitchen area that I am going to use these in, I had to order up a separate one. And needless to say, we will give it a quick opening just to keep you all excited. And you can see, like everything else, same material. It's the quick guide, it's the user manual, usual bit of Dream View bump. Get the little foam top off, and as you would expect, 1 bulb. And there we go. Right, the tricky bit starts now. Let's get the old bulb out. Thankfully, it's just a little clip. Turn that, get the bulb out. Get the new Govee bulb, pop it back in. And that's it, pretty well sorted. Now that we've got the bulb in place, it's time to get the Govee app to find the bulb. So it's scanning, finds it really, really quick. And as we can see, the device name comes up. Not only that, on the smart system, it's found the bulb. I won't mention the name. And this particular one is in position 2 in the kitchen. I'm just going to mark it as number 2. It's now going to go to the Wi-Fi and automatically kick in. Now that all the bulbs are in place, it's daytime. So we'll see about switching them on. And to be honest, I don't think the camera is going to do the colours any justice. So we've just turned it on. And this, believe it or not, is white, and it isn't really showing up very well on camera. Switching into red, again, camera's not doing it any justice at all, but you can see as it's darker to the left hand side, you get a richer colour. We've got a window on the right hand side, hence there's a lot more kind of white pouring through there. Moving in a bit closer now, hopefully this will show the colours a little bit better. Just using the 1 bulb now. And the circle to the left, well, that's just the reflection on the camera. Not much I can do about that, I'm afraid. And a slightly different angle now. See if this makes any difference. So we'll turn them on. Believe it or not, that's white. And we'll cycle back through some of the other colours. Red. Into blue. Into green. And into purple. So there you have it, the new Govee Gu10 bulbs. They are excellent, very, very bright in whatever room you decide to use them in. As I say, unfortunately, the camera's not doing the colours any justice, but I can certainly recommend them and well worth checking out. As a little bonus, I thought I would show you the bulbs that I took out of the kitchen. And as you can see, the only real difference you can see here is the way that they're diffused. The bulbs that I took out, are very, very good. I have no problems with them at all, but I just need everything to integrate into the Govee app. So many thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.